YouTube, man. Y'all see what's going on with it. Got the 5.0 out. Got the kill pulley on, man. We finna see what it's doing. Let me know down in the comments below, what do y'all think about the 5.0 on the new setup. We still missing a bumper from last race, man, but hopefully we got good vibes this race. We racing GT500 over there. We're gonna go check it out in a bit. Got Bandcamp out though, man. Y'all already know how it go. 5.0 out. What y'all thinking, man? Let me know in the comments down below what y'all think gonna get it. Pretty much fully built GT500 stock blower. So sheesh, it should be a good run. I'm pretty sure he's ported. Got my boy Tone SS right here. Everybody looking at this bitch. Y'all see the baby under there. New setup. Man, ain't got the ZL1s out. Sheesh. Y'all wanna go over there and talk to him?
Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's do this. You got one of these, baby. Tell us what we're looking for.
Like a 2.5 though. Easy. 2.4. Probably the ported blower.
Can't even look in the back, so GG's to that. It is what it is.
You got the triple pump for sure, yo. About max effort, I think.
Damn, small ass pulley.
I'm be honest with you, bro.
Stock blower for sure. Stock blower, max effort. I think he's got about like 1050 wheel. No cap.
1050? I'm sure.
Sheesh.
What you gotta say?
Sure,
Hey, you gotta start paying me for this camera, man.
I gotta check out my setup now. A lot more to check in this car. Can't move, you can't look and see
My
shit in there.
Packed, huh?
Yeah.
What size?
G3.
What?
G3.
Anyways.
ESS. Skinny jeans. That's great.
Shit, so we'll roll 6160.
Yeah.
Yeah. 6160.
One and done?
One and done.
One and done, yeah.
Yeah, you
could
leave
go.
it.
We're going you spin one and done.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Sure. That's cool. That's cool.
Cause I don't fuck around.
Yeah, that's cool with me, bro. You try to get
run
started
and
with me.
then-
I was already late. I don't fuck with that. Did you want to count? I heard you count kind of fast though.
Well, my passengers. You can count.
You got a
Yeah.
passenger?
No, I took my seat out this time.
Sure.
I always usually do. But I mean, you can count. I'm trying to take off clean. Like if you jump, I'm just gonna stop. Until we get a clean one. But I ain't trying to heat soak my shit either.
Fucking long ass.
Race a race.
Yeah. So chase is a race or?
I mean, yeah, like if we
No,
go,
just, well, I mean, don't be
If he
leaving on
takes me all
2
the
and
way.
shit.
You said what?
Don't be leaving on 2 and stuff.
Oh yeah, he left on 2 in the last video. I go on 3, so that's what I'm saying. We can do a little slow. You ain't got 1, 2, 3. 1,
like,
2, 3.
What, like anything over 100?
Yeah, anything over 100.
You
know
break,
what
you
I
pay.
That's cool. Break,
Yeah,
you pay.
just one and
I'm just
done.
trying
You
to
break,
one
you
and
pay
done this
anything.
shit. I ain't trying to
You
fuck
spin,
around.
you pay,
That's
whatever.
cool.
What are you guys thinking for a pot?
What y'all come up with?
I mean, there's all kinds of us. We'll probably match you.
Alright, we're discussing.
Yeah, let us.
Yeah, because we're waiting for those guys that just went out too.
All right, sure.
A couple of them want throwing or something.
Maybe.
So-
All
We'll just see. Just let us know what you guys got.
right, let us know too.
We'll see.
Yeah.
All right, baby. You want flip account?
I mean, man, I'm just trying to
Sure,
take off
don't got a
clean.
quarter?
You know what I mean?
Hey, man, toss a credit card up in the air, man. That
But
bitch-
like,
Hey, let it lay on the front so I can record it.
Hey,
White or black,
Sure, if
man.
we just take off and just go over 100 and just that's the race.
You got a coin?
No, I don't got no fucking
Nobody got no coin. Flip this damn coin.
Oh, he's got a coin out here or something?
That's my keys. That's my keys.
Heads or tails?
Oh, you got a
Do
coin?
that? I'll do it. Siri, heads or tails? That's all you do.
What do you want? Heads you count, tails I count?
What you think? What you want? Hey, man.
Oh, here comes you can.
When they finna.
Tails I count, heads you count.
You got one of these? I ain't never seen one in person. No, I ain't
Oh, I count? All right, sure.
So you'll be on the right and he'll be.
Hey, y'all gotta ask this nigga. He got the GT500.
Man, if y'all putting in, come over here.
Here's that. Oh,
Y'all not stay over there.
He got big road.
I think it's gonna be.
They don't even know. Hey,
I think this is a good fair race.
Y'all don't know, but this is our first. We just put this pulley on.
Just
Just
literally like 30 minutes
this
ago.
nigga pulled up to my crib like at 10 o'clock. We put the pulley on. He ain't even do no test pulls, no nothing.
One test pool.
One test pull, but
Yeah.
that's why it kind of blew me when he said you break, you pay. Because we don't know how this is going. Hey, on the back of the Supercharger, there were top knocks was supposed to come for that tighten up screw. Top knock not here, so we can't tighten up that screw. This nigga be here. Hey, this nigga be here like once a blue moon. He got a daughter, but when he out, he out. Pow!
Sheesh, yellow jacket outside. Got the parachute on the back. Carbon doors. Not gonna lie, this motherfucker is cold. Ooh, shit. Rondo, man, let me know what y'all think. Comment down below who y'all think is gonna take the dub today. Once again, a GT500 over there, 5.0 right here.
Let's go, baby. Race of the year, man. Coyote Mar for the motherfucking win, Jack.
I know he feel more confident just the fact that it makes it a little healthy. Get up on that nigga.
Martin, man, I ain't gonna lie, man. You made me happy, man. I see your car saying, yeah. I was like, okay, that little nigga got hard. That little nigga got hard.
You send it to me. Your phone.
Mark, check your phone.
Don't check my phone.
Check your phone.
My shit about that
Shit, I'm not gonna lie.
That for sure. Not GoPro speeds off. That's the only fucked up part.
Y'all got GoPro too, right? Or no?
Yeah, but it fucking died.
Oh, hell.
Man.
Ain't no way that bitch died all of a sudden.
Check it out.
Shit, what you want me to do?
No, it died
on his.
Shit close as fuck.
At 160. That shit was stupid close. I seen you guys coming around and I was like, fuck, that shit's close. So what we gonna do about this? Cause we keep rewinding this bitch ain't gonna make a difference. Man, this gonna be a long night, y'all. Think so? No, I'm about to tell them, let's just get this good happen, nigga. If nobody pay, I'll be fine with it. Hey, if nobody pay, I'll be fine with it. Rerun, I'm not fine with that shit, cause anything bad could go happen. You know what I mean on the rerun. So I said we gonna cut that shit short. Call that shit a night.
What do you feel that happened, or what do you guys feel that happened?
I want personally, when that's 160, that's 150. I started coming around here because I let off at 162.
But the speedometer started up higher.
Yeah, that's why.
What
So
you
it'd
saying?
be lower speed.
Huh?
It's saying we started at 164,
Well,
right?
if it started at, did you
we
start
started
at 160 or what? You started at 60,
I started at 60, yeah.
And it says 64, so that would take mean it's 4 miles an hour
really
off.
it's 4 miles per hour faster.
164 at that point.
So really at one,
I'm gonna tell you this. We going off GoPro, so the what if?
That's what I'm saying.
you guys
This the only. I don't know.
Nah,
I'm not.
it's
It's
dead
too close
even.
to call. I'm not even gonna say because that's just gonna start arguments and shit.
Yeah.
This shit literally.
It's literally dead even.
My cap is where his cap is. But he did pull me on after 160, but the race was 160.
Yeah.
At 160, we literally naked.
I know.
He soaked the most. Let's go.
You guys want to set up another run?
I'll rerun, but my whole team, they not trying to redo the pot, so the pot won't probably be the same. So.
I don't want to be fucked up.
You said it's only
No,
two. That's
nigga.
kind of late.
Of course, y'all just trying to see around.
Y'all want to set up another day or something like that, or?
And we will go closer to y'all. We'll be going
Or we can
closer to
drive
y'all.
closer to y'all next time.
I mean, I'm down if you guys want to drive closer.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Y'all drove out here, I respect that, so I'm down to meet y'all closer to y'all. But where you got them on? We could discuss on DMs.
Send a drop
Y'all
in.
came out here, I'm down to
5 is not a good freeway race.
We can do the same pot.
What, the 5?
1500?
You crazy, the 5 look beautiful.
Yeah,
Well, it depended on what.
Alright, y'all. Crazy ass fucking night, man. So we just got done running the GT500. They're loading it back up on a trailer now. But the run was pretty close as fuck. Like literally, so the road was 60 to 160. At 160, we're literally neck and neck. I was ahead the whole fucking run. 160, we're literally neck and neck. Like, I'm gonna be honest, the run was too close to call. So we just call it that. We wasn't finna sit here arguing all day. We set up a rerun. We know, man, I gotta get the car sauced up now because this motherfucker ain't playing no games. We're gonna get that rerun real soon. So make sure you guys are staying tuned to the channel. If you haven't, like, comment, and sub to the channel. It's your boy Coyote Mar, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, baby.